Hey everybody, welcome to another how to draw video from renderdemo. Today we are going to draw the Nike Swoosh logo. So I've been getting some requests on how to draw that, and I am going to show you right now. So what we need is a few simple things. A piece of paper, a ruler, a straight edge, could be this type of metal or a plastic one, doesn't really matter, but something that fits nicely on your sheet of paper. I have a Sharpie and a mechanical pencil. You can use any type of mechanical pencil or any type of black marker. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try to show you how to set up the dimensions of the swoosh. And the way we're going to do it, we're going to have the logo hook over to the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to create an area here for a box. So let's create a box shape. And again, I'm using the mechanical pencil because we can always erase what's in, what's on the sheet. So I'm going to create kind of like a rectangular shape, and the corner of the logo is almost going to be the same height as the tail portion of the logo. So we'll draw a parallel line up here, kind of like a rectangular shape, like this. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start, and let's see, let's do the rectangle like this. So basic kind of shape like that. Now, what we're going to have is the logo's going to hook like this over here, and then it's going to come up like that. Here, the shape here will hook. Your point's going to be kind of around there, like that, and then this will come down, and this will be from about here to here will be like your widest and thickest. So it's thin here, it gets thicker, right about from here to here, it's like about your thickest point. And then that'll hook and come to a point like that. So there's the Nike Swoosh. And then in addition to this, I'm going to add the Nike font and the text, actual word Nike in here. So what we'll do is from right about here, almost towards the tip here, we are going to come down roughly about here, and we're going to draw a line. Maybe we can come further down, something like this, and do parallel to that top edge there. So we'll do kind of like another rectangle. And the Nike letters, we're not doing them straight, where they're going to be italicized, angled over slightly. So we're going to go and let's figure out how tall to make these. So from here to here, measure that distance above. So this will be our kind of almost like our center location. And you can go above, something like that. And then we're gonna angle just slightly, not really a 45, maybe like a 20 degree angle. And then we want to end the E over here. So that's going to be our Nike right there. there. So this is going to be a little bit tricky. So we'll have the N-I-K-E. So the N will be right about here. Then we'll do the I. And then the K. And then the E. So I'm going to make some adjustments as I'm going. Just because we want to make sure that these are like spaced evenly. And what I'm looking to do right now is like this thickness here of the I want to try to do similar thickness with the N itself. So the pieces of the N that kind of come up, those will all be similar in thicknesses. Same with the K. So if this is my N, it'll come down like this. Like that. That's the N. We'll try to get the I. Similar thickness. And then we'll get the K right here. And again, from here, we want to try to get the N, the thickness of the N to be similar to the K. Like that. And you can see like part of the K that comes down will start up here above. So the center, the end of the K here that comes down will meet in the center like that. This will come down like this. So again, remember, we're trying to just keep all the thicknesses of all of the lines and those shapes similar. And then the E will be just like that. And again, if you measure out like the width of the N, like that, it's about 2 centimeters. So try to get about 2 centimeters of the N, of the E as well, roughly, so they're all about the same kind of width. And we'll do the E like this. And then the center. And that'll be just a little bit shorter. Just like that. So there you go. So we don't really have to erase too much because we're going to use the black ink to define our shape here. So what I'll do is I'm going to start with the Nike logo itself. So we'll go and just start tracing over certain lines. Get this nice. Alright, so we established our Nike logo, our font. So now I'm going to go, and if you have French curves, those are like plastic stencils that have nice curves to them. You can use those to really get the exact curve that you want. You can also, I recommend turning your page so that you follow the natural arc and pivot of your wrist. I'm going to leave the paper the way it is so you guys can follow along. But as you get better and better at drawing, you can learn to create curves in different ways. So hope you guys like this drawing, and please subscribe to our channel so you can see other cool videos. Make a comment, send us an email at renderdemo, mark@renderdemo.com, and we'll be sure to try to get to your suggestions and for upcoming videos. So again, thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video, and we'll see you guys next time.